Might be wondering, why the heck am I looking at this? Well, the reason being that you're looking at this is because I'm using this little stuffed animal, this little stuffed bear, as a way to figure out my lighting. Now, this guy right here, I'm using as kind of like a hair light or a backlight. So if I go right here, you can see that we have this like beautiful, white highlight, right? I mean, that just looks absolutely stunning. So if I position it ever so slightly, we get this really nice, lighting. So if I just turn it this way, can I just play around with it? But you can notice that all I'm doing is I'm just, moving the lights around to see what works. So I'm using this bear to figure out what looks best for my lighting setup. Now, this is a lot easier because I can just move around the person, right? I can move around this character in order to figure out the positioning for the lighting. So if you're having trouble with your lighting, what I would suggest is get a stuffed animal, position it like right where your head would be, and then just kind of play around with the lighting. Like, that looks pretty good. Here, and then here, let's say for the thumbnail, there we go. You want here, actually, there we go. Cool. So right there. And then perfect. And that's perfect for the thumbnail. If I hide my face, get a really nice one like right there. Just gonna play around with it a little bit. And that look up. And that looks good. Cool. So there we go. So I just kind of set up the lighting and just kind of play around with it because if this bear looks good in the lighting, then I'll look good. So from this angle, you can definitely see that the reason why the green screen looks better from this camera is because of the blur. So if I position it, the bear better with this type of camera, so that way the green screen is completely blurred out, then it would be a really nice, smooth green screen. But hopefully you can kind of see that we can get some really cool lighting just by experimenting with, the bear. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.